Hello everybody, welcome to What's for Dinner. Today, make the Chinese New Year cake.
Happy Chinese New Year, everyone! This is a delicious cupcake recipe that you can make for the new year. To start off, we will need some cupcake trays, cupcake wraps, coconut sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, and water. First, we'll start by getting a pot and fill it up with 240 grams of water and add 60 grams of coconut sugar and 60 grams of brown sugar in there and let it emulsify and melt down, and then you can turn the gas down and let it cool. Then, in a large bowl, we'll measure out 250 grams of all-purpose flour and add 4 tablespoons of baking powder to it and mix it thoroughly. Then you're going to add 4 tablespoons of oil into the flour and mix it through again, and this will make the cake soft. Now get your warm syrup and add it slowly to the flour while mixing it through. Once mixed through, grab a strainer and pour the mixture through slowly to get rid of any lumps and make the batter smooth. After you strain the batter through, pour it into your cupcake molds to about 90% of the way like this. Then grab a large pot or wok and add some water to it and bring it up to a boil, and then you're going to add a steamer rack to it and put your mixture on top of it. Cover it up and let it steam for about 20 minutes, and voila! Take a look at this beauty and you can hear how excited my dad is here. I hope you all enjoy! Happy Chinese New Year again!